Alright, so I'm going to press the middle button. How about the button on the left? Okay. Now, the button on the right. Again, the button in the middle. Now, the button on the left. Now, the button on the right. Nice. Oh, here, Hulyan. Thank you. Maya is scared. Maya, where are you going? Alright, bye, Hulyan. Bye-bye, King Cobra Snake. Bye. Are you going to scare Miss Marian?
I'm gonna scare Maya.
Are you pressing two buttons, Hulyan? Left and right? The left and right buttons?
They press two buttons, it goes fast and straight.
Oh, okay. Press the left and right buttons. The snake goes straight
And fast.
and fast.
Yeah.
Yeah, spider! Spider!
There's a spider versus Cobra snake.
Where's your remote control spider toy? Where did you put it?
Oh, it's not working.
Go look for it.
It's not working anymore.
Why?
Because I put it in the bed.
Oh, you mean no batteries?
No, I mean because I put it in the bed and I put it in the bed, it don't work.
Okay,
The motor flow.
if you say so. Wow, it's fast!
I told you.
Wow!
Oh, stop.
Yeah, My Little Pony toy!
Onion.
Maya is scared, Hulyan.
I can see.
Nice sleepers, Maya.
Yeah. My fruit is better, Daddy. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that, Daddy.
Go get it yourself, Maya. Go. Snake! 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 The instruction paper.